Hey everybody, welcome back to Terra Gardens. Today we're diving into the world of sedums with Little Miss Sunshine. Sedum Little Miss Sunshine is prized for its compact size and ability to thrive in tough conditions, making it a perfect low-maintenance ground cover. Bright yellow flowers, which bloom profusely in the summer, attract pollinators such as bees and butterflies, adding ecological value to the garden. Sedum Little Miss Sunshine belongs to the genus Sedum, a large group of succulents native to North America, Europe, and Asia. Sedum plants have been cultivated for centuries due to their resilience and ability to thrive in dry, poor soil. The cultivar Little Miss Sunshine is a more recent hybrid developed for its bright floral display and dense, low-growing habit. Little Miss Sunshine is a compact, low-growing succulent that reaches about 4 to 6 inches in height. It spreads to about 12 to 18 inches. Its small, fleshy, rounded leaves form a dense mat of greenery, providing excellent ground cover. The foliage is an attractive green with tiny star-shaped yellow flowers blooming in clusters during the summer. These blooms create a vibrant display, contrasting nicely with the plant's succulent foliage. Like most sedums, Little Miss Sunshine is drought-tolerant and thrives in full sun with well-drained soil. It prefers sandy or rocky soil, but can adapt to various soil types as long as drainage is adequate. It is perfect for USDA hardness zones 4 through 9 and requires minimum care once established. Sedum Little Miss Sunshine is highly resistant to pests and diseases, making it an ideal plant for xeriscaping, rock gardens, or containers. Regular watering is only necessary in extreme drought conditions, as too much moisture can lead to root rot. Little Miss Sunshine pairs well with other drought-tolerant plants like lavender, thyme, and other succulent varieties. Its vibrant yellow flowers contrast beautifully with darker green or purple leaf plants like creeping thyme. It also is a great choice for planting alongside ornamental grasses or in rock gardens where compact size can fill in the gaps between larger plants. As a resilient ground cover, Little Miss Sunshine can tolerate neglect and poor soil, making it a favorite for low-maintenance gardens. It spreads slowly but steadily, creating a tight, weed-suppressing carpet. This plant is also resistant to deers and rabbits, further adding to its low-maintenance appeal. The succulent leaves store water, allowing the plant to survive dry spells, and it rebounds quickly after rain. While not commonly used in modern herbal medicine, sedum species have a history of medicinal use. Some varieties were traditionally used in herbal remedies for wound healing. However, Little Miss Sunshine is primarily valued today for its ornamental qualities, especially in water-wise gardens, container arrangements, and rock gardens. That's it for today's plant species. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more plant profiles. Happy growing.